Hello, welcome back to our channel. Just wanted to share this very quick and easy stir-fried chicken recipe. Excuse the camera angles, I was trying to hold the phone and cook at the same time. First dice a couple of chicken breasts and add to the wok with a little bit of sesame oil or vegetable oil if you haven't got that. And in there I'm going to add a ready bought bag of peppered stir fry, and I had some mushrooms, so I've chopped those in. I had some udon noodles in the cupboard, and I found this packet of sweet and sour sauce in the supermarket, and I had a tin of pineapple, and that's all that's needed for this. So when your chicken's cooked like this, I then added the stir fry, and you cook that down for about 4 to 5 minutes on a high heat. I put the noodles in some boiled water, strained them and added them to the stir fry as you can see here. And then in I go with the sweet and sour ready bought sauce. As I say, this was a very quick meal that I was making one evening for my daughter and myself. So in we go, mix it all in. And then I added the chopped pineapple as well to this, just to add a little bit of the sweetness. And here we have a bowl of sweet and sour chicken with noodles and chopsticks, no less. I do hope you've enjoyed watching. Please come again and like and subscribe. Thank you.